In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 major skills any engineer, management professional, or any planning engineer need to understand, need to grip on EOT and claims management. A lot of people who are watching right now this video might be having different kind of doubts, confusions while working on construction projects, oil and gas projects, that how they can grip on EOT, delay analysis and claims management, but it is very easy. I'm going to make it very easy on the basis of my experience. Well, before starting this video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel so that in future any video I upload on my channel, you can find that link on time and it make sure value addition in your learning. So let's start. I will start talking about the 5 major skills. The first one is planning engineering. You need to understand planning and control. What is the project planning and then scheduling and then tracking? If you are not aware of this skill set, there is one link ahead on my shoulder. You can just click that and start learning that skill. After that first step, the second step would be EOT and claims management. So covering that first step, you will be directly for the EOT, eligible for the EOT and claims management. And here you need to understand FIDIC Red Book, conditions of contract for construction. Purpose for this Red Book: this is going to govern rights, obligations between employer and contractor in construction contract. It is going to highlight the responsibility, the obligation, what is documented in the early stage of your project at the time of project award, that which party is going to be responsible for what kind of task and what kind of responsibilities are given to certain parties, right? So in that light, they are going to be accountable. So how it helps in EOT and claims? Because this book is documented with all kind of responsibilities, so it provides contractual grounds for extension of time. There are references, like in FIDIC there is a claim references. You can develop your case, like under this class that was mentioned, and now you are going to proceed for such kind of actions. Like, it defines the procedures, how you need to submit that report, notices and approvals. And it is also guides contractors on entitlement for cost or time or only for the claims. In short, it tells you when you can claim and how to submit it properly to strengthen your case. So FIDIC is a contractual Bible, right? Is a book which is going to guide in the construction industry. So in EOT and claims management, this is the second step you need to grip on to understand all those references. Either it is variation claims, acceleration claims, it is disruption, suspension, termination. What are the force majeures? What are the clauses which are going to endorse or going to give the references by that FIDIC Red Book, right? The second one is SCL, Society of Construction and Disruption Protocol, second edition. This book is going to help you a lot. It is industry standard best practices for delay and disruption claims. How it helps in EOT and claims? It is recommends delay analysis methodologies like time impact analysis, because when you are going to process your complete case in terms of your Gantt chart, you are going to use your Primavera P6 as a tool, right? A PMIS tool, project management information systems. On that Gantt chart, you are going to prove your stance, you are going to prove your case, and you will be using different kind of methodologies like time impact analysis, as planned, window analysis, and there are many more. So under SCL, it is going to guide which methodology is suitable for this your certain project database, right? It is going to define principle of float in ownership. Concurrency means when you have multiple parallel delays, and there are many things gonna happen within this prospect, right? So it is going to explain all of those. So it is also going to explain how to present claims in a way that is accepted in disputed arbitration. In short, it shows how to analyze and fairly demonstrate delays responsibility. And then the third is ACE 29R03, forensic schedule analysis. It provides a structured methodology for forensic schedule analysis, right? And further, how it helps in EOT and claims, it classifies different delay analysis approaches: GRAS, Windows, contemporaneous, simulation. It matches methodologies with extracted outcomes, time, compensable, and all that, right? So if I can share with you this ACE and all that, and here we are. This is taxonomy versus common names, observational under ACE 29R-03. You can segregate your project delay events into observational, modeled, static logic, dynamic, additive, subtractive, and further these are segregated into their deep down logics. And then you can see over here there are different kind of methodologies given as planned, as build, windows analysis, contemporaneous, time analysis, time impact, windows, and you can see over here all these methodologies. But above on the head of, this is fixed period, and the detailed knowledge, if you want to get all this detailed knowledge, right, like I want to get grip on this matrix, then FIDIC book, then SCL, then the fifth thing, which you need to understand along with all these books is, you can see Primavera P6, and there you can see you have to work on Primavera P6 like it's a sample project. You have to add delays, and you need to see that how it is going to impact on your existing project completion date. There are risks, there are delay events, companies, representatives, either you are client, consultant, and contractor, they are going to identify them, and you are going to calculate their impact, and you are going to prepare mitigation plans, their plan alternative plans, how you can mitigate their impact and all that, and how you are going to finally prepare your case for time, EOT, and claim for the cost. So if you want to learn all of these things under a single package like delay analysis and claims management, in which you are thinking to grip on FIDIC, SCL, ACE 29R-03, and Primavera P6 with real project case studies for UAE, US, and UK based projects, right? So I would invite you to enroll in my delay analysis and claims management self-paced course, in which I'm going to give you a WhatsApp based one-to-one support as well. I will be guiding you that how these methodologies are going to help you and going to upgrade your job career from a simple planning engineer to the senior planning engineer, where companies are expecting, if you are going to provide them EOT services, delay analysis and claims management, forensic schedule analysis, and Primavera P6 services, they are going to hire you on much higher salary. So before signing off this video, I would request you people to just write in the comment area delay analysis and claims management. That would I consider support from my viewers. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, so that this playlist series should be in your favorite one, so that you can enhance your knowledge and all that. See you in my next session.